Good morning, everybody, and how are you? How are you? Good morning, everybody, and how are you? And how are you today? Good morning, everybody, and clap your hands. Clap your hands. Good morning, everybody, and clap your hands. And how are you today? Okay, so today, Wednesday, we're going to discuss our value, and our value for this week is caring. What is our value for this week? Caring, yes. And when we talk about caring, we're talking about displaying kindness and concern for others or something. For example, this week we're talking about plants and care for plants, okay? We can care for plants by, you know it, by watering them, exposing them to sunlight and things like that. Okay, children? So when we talk about caring, we're talking about displaying kindness and concern for someone or something. Okay? Now, before we start today's letter, let's talk about our vowels. Now, there are 5 vowels in the alphabet. And what are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Those are the 5 vowels in the alphabet. Okay, boys and girls? And the letters in the vowels, each letter makes 2 sounds. We have the long sound and the short sound. The long sound for letter A says A, and the short sound says A. The long sound for letter E says E, and the short sound says E. The long sound for letter I. The short sound says E. The long sound for letter O says O, and the short sound says O. Yes. The long sound for letter U says U, and the short sound says O. Okay, boys and girls, the long sound says its name. Okay, so those are the 5 vowels in the alphabet. All the other letters are called what? Consonants. Okay, now today's letter is letter J, and we said yesterday that letter J belongs to which family? The consonant family. It belongs to the consonant family, and letter J says J. It says J. In as jam, in as jam, jamun, juice, and all of those things that you would have seen in your worksheet. Okay, boys and girls? Yes. Now we going to look at a picture. Okay? This is a picture of a girl. Can you see the girl? What is she doing there? We can say the girl is jumping. The girl is jumping. See capital J and common J. Capital J and common J. The J says J. The J says J. Okay, boys and girls? Now we're going to listen to a lovely song about letter J.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter J. This is a capital J. This is a lowercase j. You know how the J looks now. Let's make the letter J sound. J, 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 J. Yeah! J is for juice. J is for juggle. J is for jumping jacks. J is for jug. J is for Jackson. J is for Jacinta. You know some J words now. Let's make the letter J sound. J, 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 Your turn. J.
Yes, boys and girls, so I know we all enjoy letter J song. Okay, now it's time for work. You have some work to do today. So you're going to take out your worksheet and we're going to do some work on letter J. It says, say the name of each picture, color the pictures that begin with the J sound. Shade within the outline of the J. Okay, so inside here, within the boundary there, you're shading with your crayon. Okay, then it says color the pictures that begin with the J sound. Let's say the name of the pictures quickly. Jellyfish, J. Yes, we're hearing the J sound there. So you know what you have to do? You color it. Mango, no. Apple, no J. Jug, J, jug. You see the jug there? So you color that. And at the bottom we have the jaguar. Okay, children? So you have to color the jellyfish, the jaguar, and the jug. Okay? Goodbye until... Yes, so welcome to our garden of learning. Children grow here. Okay? So boys and girls, it's time for a large group. And what is our theme for this term? Look at the picture. You tell me what is our theme for this term. Our theme for this term is plants and animals in the environment. And what is our topic for this week? Our topic for this week is care for plants and parts of a plant. Okay, boys and girls? Now each part of a plant has a function. Okay? Each part of a plant have a function. Now, today we'll discuss the function of each part of a plant. 3 main parts. Okay? We'll be talking about the leaves, the root, and the stem. Alright? Now, do you know what the leaf does? Do you know what the leaf does? The leaves breed and make food for the plant. What the leaf does? The leaves breed and make food for the plant. Now on those leaves there are some tiny holes called stomata. And through those tiny holes the leaves breed. Okay, boys and girls? So you can see the leaves are very important to a plant. Okay? Do you know what the root does? Let's find out what the root does. The root holds the plant firmly in the soil and takes nutrients to other different parts of the plant. Now imagine if there is a plant. Okay, you have a plant and you cut off the root. What do you think will happen to that plant? The plant is going to fall down and then it will eventually die. So the root is very important also because it helps the plant to stand up tall. Just like boys and girls, you have your feet and your feet helps you to stand up tall. That is what the root does for the plant. Okay? Now let's talk about the stem. Now the stems support the leaves and help to transport nutrients to the plant also. And that process is called photosynthesis. You will learn more about that in primary school. Okay? Okay, boys and girls? So each part of the plant is very important. The leaves, the stem, and the root. Now let's do some work. Today we will be painting a plant. We will be painting a plant. And I have my paint here. What color is this? Green, and this one is yellow. And I also have my paintbrush. Okay? Paintbrushes. Alright, so guess what we're going to do? You're going to tell me what color to paint the leaves in. What color do you think we should paint the leaves in? Let's look up here. There is a plant. Here is a plant. What is the color of the leaves? Green. So therefore we're going to use the green paint to paint the leaves. Okay, so let's do that quickly. Yes, I am painting the leaves neat and nice. And remember that plants breathe through their leaves. They breathe through their leaves. And the tiny holes on the leaves are called what? Stomata. They are called stomata. The leaves also help make food for the plant. The leaves also help make food for the plant. So that part of the plant is very important. So if anybody asks you what the leaf does, you can tell them the leaf make food for the plant. And I hope you are doing your work there also. You're going to draw a plant and you're going to paint it, okay? With mommy, daddy, big brother or big sister, you paint it neat and nice. And parents, when you do these activities at home, it helps your child to develop fine motor skills, okay? So even if you do not have paint at home, I'm encouraging you to buy paint and get your child involved. It also helps to foster creativity in your child. Okay, parents? Yes, so the leaves, they are looking beautiful in green leaves. And the leaves make food for the plant. Yes, boys and girls, so that is the function of the leaves. Alright? Leaves make food for the plant. Okay? So now, we have 2 leaves up here. Let's do that. Wonderful. I love painting. What about you? Yes, I love to do paintings. Okay? So, now we're going to look at the flower. We're going to look at the flower. Now, we're going to use the yellow to color the flower. Yes, some flowers are yellow. Some flowers are yellow. So, let's see. Let's paint. We're painting within the boundary. Okay? Within the boundary. Okay, boys and girls? Yes. Let's do that quickly. Wow. I love this. This is looking beautiful. And I know your work will look beautiful too. And remember to send a picture of your work to me so I can see. Okay, boys and girls? Yes, you see the flower there? So that is called a plant. Now, the other part of the plant, which part of the plant holds it firmly in the soil? The root. So let's color the root. Let's color the root in brown. We don't have brown paint, but we have a brown crayon. So let's color it quickly in brown. Yes, this is the root, and what the root does, it holds the plant firmly in the soil and it takes nutrients to other parts of the plants. Okay? To other parts of the plant, sorry. Yes, so the root is very important because it holds the plant firmly in the soil. Just like boys and girls. Your feet help you to stand tall. The root helps the plant to stand tall also. Okay? So those are the function of the root, the leaves, and the stem. Coloring the stem in brown. And the stem, what does the stem do? What does the stem do? Yes, it also helps to support the leaves. Okay? And it also takes nutrients to other parts of the plant. Right, so let's take a closer look at our plant. Let's see. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Yes. So that is it for science today. And for science today, let me ask you some questions. What are some parts of the plant? Some parts of the plant are leaves, root, and stem. Also, some plants are flower. What is the function of the leaf? You tell me. Yes, and what is the function of the root? Wonderful. What is the function of the stem? Wonderful. Give yourself a little clap. Okay. The farmer plants a seed. The farmer plants a seed. Hi, Henry, the farmer plants a seed. Goodbye. Yes, boys and girls, so welcome back, and I hope you enjoyed painting your plant. Now you know it's time for mathematics. So we're going to go straight into our shape song. And what is the name of the shape we're focusing on? The diamond. So let's listen to that song, let's sing, and let's have fun.
Wow! When you really look around, you can find lots of shapes in our world. They seem to be everywhere. The Frog Street shapes are just playing with their friends. They really haven't disappeared at all.
You're right. There's another one. He's way up high. It's Danny Diamond.
Danny Diamond is my name. Baseball is my game. Like a square, I have four sides that can be the same. I can fly up in the sky, oh so very high. Mr. Wind is my best friend, wave as I go by. Danny Diamond is my name, baseball is my game. Like a square, I have four sides that can be the same. I can fly up in the sky, oh so very high. Mr. Wind is my best friend, wave as I go by. It's time for you to hit a home run. Let me hear you sing it.
So I enjoy that song. What about you? Yes, it's about a diamond, Danny the diamond. Okay, boys and girls, so now it's time to do some work on your worksheet here. Yes, so you can see the diamond there, diamond shape. So you want to remember to write your name neatly. It says trace the diamond, connect the dots to form the diamond, draw the diamond. So here you trace the diamond. Sorry, you color the diamond here, and over here you connect the dots, okay, to form the diamond. So you color it neatly over here, and then over here you connect the dots. Okay, you can see that in your worksheet. At the bottom here it says draw the diamond. So if you look at the dots again, in order to draw the diamond, if you connect the dots, you will get the diamond. Okay, trace the word diamond, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. You trace that word. And that is it. That is it for diamond. Okay, now those of you who do not have the worksheet, those of you who are watching, and maybe you do not have the worksheet, what you can do with your child, you can draw the diamond. You can draw the diamond, one side, two side, three side, and four side. And you know what you can do? You can have your child color the diamond. Okay, another thing you can do with your child, you can cut out the diamond on a nice piece of color paper and you can paste it in your child's book. And write the name. Those of you who can write, you write the name diamond underneath. Those of you who are tracing, you do the dots and you let the child connect the dots to write the word diamond. Or the child can trace the word diamond. Okay, so that's it for mathematics today, and I hope you all enjoy doing your work, and I want to see your work. Okay, be good boys and girls. Parents, please be patient with your child. Okay, and until then, Teacher Fanny is saying goodbye.